हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू फिजिक्स-o-mania। सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दिया गया है a square plate of HD and a circular disc of diameter D are placed touching each other at the midpoint of an edge of the plate as shown in the figure, as you can see here, and we have to locate the center of mass of the combination assuming same mass per unit area for the two plates. That means it is also having this mass per unit area as sigma, and it is also having the mass per unit area as sigma. Okay, now here to find the center of mass, we will choose some point as the origin and let the center of the disk be the origin. So here this will be the x-axis and this will be the y-axis, and let it be at the origin. Now if it is at the origin, the center of the disk is at the origin, then this distance, the radius of the disk, is d by 2, and the edge of the square plate is d. It is d. Now here, if we talk about the center of the square plate, then it will be equal to d comma 0. Why d comma 0? Because this distance is d by 2 and this distance is also d by 2, so this coordinate will be d comma 0. Now here y coordinate of the system will be 0, y coordinate of center of mass will be 0, and if we talk about the x coordinate of center of mass, that will be that the mass of the circular plate is m, and that the mass of the square plate be m dash. So it will be m into 0 plus m dash into the x coordinate of square plate is d, the center of the square plate, so it will be m plus m dash. So from here we can write x coordinate of center of mass, that will be equal to m dash into d upon m plus m dash. Now we don't know the value of m or m dash. Okay, so we have to either put the value of m dash in terms of m, or we have to put the value of m dash in terms of m. So यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, sigma of m, that will be equal to sigma of m dash, that means the mass per unit area of the circular disc is equal to mass per unit area of the square plate. So यहाँ से क्या लिख सकते हैं, mass upon area, area of the circular disc क्या हो जाएगा, pi into its radius square यानी d by 2 whole square, that will be equal to m dash upon area of square plate, that is d square. So यहाँ से d square and d square कैंसिल हो जाएगा और m dash की क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी, m dash की जो वैल्यू आएगी वो आ जाएगी 4m by pi. नाउ अब इस वैल्यू को हम यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास ये आ जाएगा 4m इंटू डी बाई पाई अपॉन m प्लस 4m बाई पाई. सो यहाँ से m कैंसिल हो जाएगा, पाई एंड पाई ऑल्सो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो ये हो जाएगा 4d अपॉन 4 प्लस पाई. सो ये एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास कहाँ से आ गया, ये आ गया फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कुलर डिस्क, फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ circular disk, and since this value is positive, that means it will be to the right of the origin, that means from the center of circular disk to the right. So this was the answer.